Capital One Spark Classic pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're just starting your business and need a straightforward cashback card, the Spark Classic from Capital One is a great choice. Most people get this wrong. They assume classic means low value, but the surprising truth is how easy it is to earn rewards with no annual fee. This card offers 1% cash back on every purchase, with no limits or categories. While it may sound modest, it's a solid starting point for small businesses with limited spending. For example, spending $0 annually would earn in cash back, and every dollar adds up over time. One of the biggest advantages is that there's no annual fee, which makes it perfect for businesses that are just getting off the ground. Additionally, it has no foreign transaction fees, and the account comes with fraud coverage and purchase protections, helping you manage business expenses safely and efficiently. In conclusion, the Capital One Spark Classic card is ideal for small business owners who want a no-frills, no-fee card with steady rewards. Its simplicity, safety features, and unlimited 1% cash back make it a practical choice for anyone building their business credit and keeping overhead low.